Ay. Hold on. I can't even see what's going on right now. I gotta switch. Oh no, I lost a subscriber. Why? What did I do? That sucks. God. Whatever. Just gonna figure this shit out. Alright, so this. That. There you go. Wow. Oh, that is. Wow. Okay, so it's kind of like. So it's technically. So did it stay under? Did it stay under its? No way. So it literally bounced off. It literally bounced off 20 cents again. I think I literally just said this yesterday. Oh my god, Lion, the crystal ball. It's working. You can tell the future. Oh my god. It's incredible. How do you get these powers? But apparently, we actually broke under. We actually broke under 20 cents by just a half a cent. Wow. Can you believe that? This is actually. Wow. So what is going on here? Is this a descending? Is this a descending triangle? What do you call this? I don't even know what I'm doing. It literally looks like a channel down, like, just needs to break out of this channel here. Wow, welcome back, Zelly. Welcome back to the stream. Good morning over there. Seems a little. It's a little possibility of that. I mean, yesterday looks like. I mean, yeah, I pretty much put this bubble here as a just in case, and as a just in case, you know, whether this actually starts to fall right under some more. But I mean, it bounced off of 1950. Hey, Matt K. It's been a while since I've seen you here. Oh, thank you, Matt K. What's going on? How's everything? The wife and kids? How's the stocks going? How's the life? How's Gtii? I don't even know what to expect right now, honestly. We just crossed well, the MACD just crossed under, so it's turning red. But the RSI is somehow almost oversold, so I'm just looking for the RSI to come down a little bit. Stocks are even keel. No changes. Yeah, I mean, are we talking about no changes in the fraud? I mean, that's a fact, you know. That's just where we're seeing all the freaking time. So what's the point? I would have, yeah. Man, literally just I don't know. feel like maybe we just try to retest 20 cents like it did today, and then perhaps like try to complete that well, start in the process of completing the double bottom pattern here, as you can see on the 4-minute, maybe on the daily. Let me see, because I have to check what the volume was today. It said GTI, I'm waiting to see if I should average down a bit. Most likely might have to just do that. I mean, your decision, of course, not financial advice. But yeah. What's up, Mad Gun? Welcome back. There's an Alpine case this Thursday. Oh. 2 days to go. It's 2 days away, I see. I mean, is this gonna be a case where we actually see some results? Because I mean, I would like it to be that perhaps, you know, the judge decides based on whatever facts are out there, and I'm pretty sure they're really credible, in my opinion, and that you know, the judge can decide and choose the right thing to do, and you know, end their careers and have them sell their short shares and cover and do all that good stuff, you know? Because that's what we're all waiting for. I mean, we really took a nice bounce, honestly, but I'm just trying to see what this MACD will do from a technical standpoint, because obviously I can't chart fraud, or, you know, can't predict the future unless the algorithm is working in the way it is. Yeah, I mean, this is just a possibility. Like I mentioned yesterday when I put this here. Either this starts to pull back a lot more and test that next level of support at 15 cents or above within that area, and then try to, in some ways, I guess, try out for that inverse head and shoulders again, which I mean, it's just all like hypothesizing, you know, doing a hypothetical TA. You know, really got the head and shoulder. It would have to be like this, honestly. Hold on. Here, the head, and then the other shoulder right here. Let's do this. Or we could just call this the double bottom. I still believe, in my opinion, that the Trento mining deal is the mine. It's categorized to be like the biggest catalyst for GTII. But of course, like, you know, if this case goes through and it becomes successful and things happen where, you know, they get screwed, and that would be another catalyst, because that means we would win in victory against Alpine, allegedly. So it's just a matter of that. Um, that Trento. I forgot what other deal is out there. There's a couple. I can't really name on the top of my head, but that and the fact that retail and other investors are still getting into GTAI because we haven't really gotten the volume that we needed. We haven't seen volume in a while of over 1 million, even to say the least 2 million. That would actually make a difference in price action for GTII. And if we can all remember from the past run, it took like a good 6 to 8 million, maybe 9 million shares traded on the day to see some crazy action, and being known that it is a low float, and that we would actually see a run, in my opinion. So yeah, and that's the thing. It will flow on any news, even the Alpine case, even Trento. Like, it's got to be one specific catalyst that then everybody's gonna be like, you know what? Damn it, I'm in. This sounds really good. And then just things start to pop off, just like that. 1000%. And it's only time, my friends. It's only a matter of time, patience. I mean, this is pretty much the psychological battle here. This is pretty much like seeing like how well we are mentally prepared, and just to be able to fight against the other side and never show weakness and never show vulnerability. That this is the game that they play all the time. And yeah, like JG Wentworth, it's my money and I need it now, as Clark says. Good evening, Clark. Good evening, Maddie. Oh yeah, I wish that was the case, Maddie. I probably would have made the stock jump maybe $50 a share, $100 a share, $1 million. But yeah. These hedge funds are on the wrong side of the equation. I think I think it's just and it's just my opinion that there's not enough influence, but then you have certain characters that had brought GTII to everyone's attention, and then for some reason, because of after the effect, that oh, Rob, what's up? I just noticed. How you doing, Rob? Is this we are the cool? We're the cool, calm and collected. And we're just here to chill. We're here to chill for a little bit. Pump and dump. Yep. You can probably imagine who I'm referring to, who also brought the attention to everybody, and decided to think that it was a good idea to actually, say what he said, because there wasn't any action being taken. So he figured, okay, well, let's move on to another play and try to pump and dump that one. And then things happen, and then where is he now? Talking about a coin every day. That's all I'm gonna say. And then you have somebody else who displays their dissatisfaction and displeasures of the stock because of whatever reason that they're just waiting for a CEO to leave. So, just having a love and hate relationship with the stock. So he refrains from talking about the stock on his stream. So I mean, that's his feelings, That's his opinion. You can't really say much about that. Thank you. And I feel like because of those certain factors, in my opinion, we've lost a majority of that volume that we used to see before. And I want to believe that if GTII would have gained that same amount of traction, just like GME did back in 2020, and made history and spread like wildfire throughout the internet, Wall Street Bets, Reddit, wherever, then I would like to think that GTII would have been GME 2.0. And then if I guess Finger would be AMC 2.0 because it ran in tangent with GTII on the last run in October 2022. So I mean, I just gotta say it out here because we already had Cosmos and we had MMCLP and there was another stock and a few others because Bill kept straying away from it and talk about other tickers to make money on, but it just doesn't have the same effect because originally this is the movement, this is the stock that they all stood behind and fight and bring the trucks out in front of SEC and other places to spread the message. And it's only been 2 tickers and 2 tickers only. Y'all can agree with this, and it's GTII and Finger. So yeah, I get the fact that maybe there's other plays out there. Of course, that's part of trading. It's part of being in the stock market, right? Not to put all your eggs in one basket, and like it's fun and all, but you had a reason for being here. You had a reason for GTII, for being in GTII and Finger. And it's the same reason as MMTLP had a reason. And they're look at their number. Their number is huge. I'm pretty sure they have a way bigger community. But a majority is in GTII and Finger, but the numbers is high. And now we're just talking about ZGYL and LGIQ and GDC and what else? CLNB. I don't know. There's just so many tickers now. It's mind blowing to me, And on top of the fact that it's just been dragging a lot longer than it expected. I'm just doing a little vent right now, so pardon me, you guys. I'm just feeling it right now. Zelly, thank you for that message. Don't forget to like that button, that like button. Love you for that. Mad Gun, damn. Oof. Could you imagine such a thing? I'm like, oh, that would break a lot of people's hearts, you know, if that was the case. I don't think he would have a stream anymore. We wouldn't have to be looking forward towards 5-6 hours of a stream, you know, every single day almost. Let's see. Hopefully my portfolio can go up as fast as it went down with it. Oh, Rob, listen. As tough as it was, excuse me. Yeah, you know, it's just something that, you know, we go through. Unfortunately, it's a process. We have to eventually, you know, move through that. Keep that money ball rolling, and perhaps we can be able to gain back and have redemption, and perhaps we can make a comeback and finally see GTII at its full potential. But as of right now, what we're looking at is a potential for GTI to perhaps break under 20 cents. As unfortunate it is to you know, for me to say that, you know, and there's gonna be some people that are probably gonna be like, yeah, I told you so, whatever. And they're gonna boast about it and all that, whatever. You know, it is what it is. Let them enjoy their ego. But if this is an opportunity for you, realistically, then by all means, do what you gotta do. And yeah, I'm here. I'm not leaving. Please don't make acquisitions. Luke William was. I believe it was about $70 million that Grant Griffin gave to Ron DeSantis. Only to be endorsed to Trump, right? And now look at that. What a Shrap still hasn't delivered my special dividend. I forgot when it was I got my dividends on E-Trade, because that's where I had my shares. I mean, there's still a QSIP number on there. I don't know if you guys see the same thing. It should be like 379 CNT 9E0, and it says Global Tech Industries Group RSTD. Let me look that up real quick. RSTD. Abbreviated form, like, what is that? Oh, of course, it means restricted. Why did I look that up? I didn't know, I thought RSTD meant something else. My dumbass is like, restricted. I remember it was a different name before, and then all of a sudden, like, they changed it to that. So that I was a little curious about that. So. I'm not delusional in 2024. Damn. And that's the thing too, because I feel like if there's a trial going on or whatever the case is, like, I figured maybe they postpone the dividend, or I think that would be, you know, somewhat of a possibility, you know, like them postponing the dividends and waiting for, you know, other things to settle, especially, you know, with the case going on, and possibly seeing some type of result this Thursday. Just my guess, my opinion. Did you guys try to call your brokers like Schwab and find out any updates? Try to get any answers, like you, Mad Gun, because you say you have it on Schwab, so I feel like, you know, people should call and, you know, get something out of it, you know. And if they're not required to talk about it, then, you know, there's always a reason for everything. So, but I know that one day GTII is gonna make everyone famous, for sure. And I'm putting it out there in the universe because I know for a fact that is gonna be the case. And for Finger as well. Let's take a look at Finger for a while. I mean, for a bit. What we're really up against is the and the Economic Forum, and I believe their money does have a limit. I had to kind of like do that, so I wouldn't be able to say that. I don't know how sensitive YouTube is with that, but I could agree with you, Clark, for sure. Maddie, damn, I guess they know you. I think the brokers know you well, you know, so. Probably said something they didn't like, and they said GFYM. Oh gosh. Well, here's the thing for Finger. If we can move on a little bit from this, it's still respecting this range. It's trading in this range sideways. In some ways, like. Even the that's what it, wait, you see, I get sidetracked, and I like completely forget that that I was trying to find out what the volume was for GTII today. Oh man, I'm just thinking about a lot of things right now. Sorry about that. The volume, okay, so yesterday's volume was 340,229. Wow, so the volume is actually increasing day by day. So, wow, and it's more towards like the selling pressure side, you know. So right here we almost have 500,000 in selling pressure. And then we look here, and then we see on the time and sales on Webull, which is not completely like everything because they don't really give out much data. But you can see here, like, you know, we mostly had more shares to the downside here. Had big orders here on the red for like 16,900. I feel like I've seen that before. What else? Let me see. We definitely had a big, a long, wow, like at least like an hour, almost an hour and a half maybe, and just literally sell. Like Look at that, 31,444 shares. Wow, what a bunch of wimps. They just couldn't handle it. Yeah. It's. I'm not worried about that right now. I'm thinking about other things. Yeah, sorry, I'm just like. I might just end the stream a little short tonight, guys. Sorry about that. But we're just gonna go buy this quick and see what happened with Finger 2. Like I said before, it's just trading in the range. With a possibility, we still have that, possibility of Finger retesting $2 as a major support level. Even though like the MACD is still crossed over and flipped to the green side. RSI is still completely oversold, like under that line at 30, at 25. So we're still coming back up from here at 19. So it's like slow moving, but for sure, like it just needs that extra volume, and I'm pretty sure that we can be able to break over this zone, this range, and go past $2.50, probably $3. I wonder how the now talk. We'll talk about the options and see what's going on, because not a lot of volume is going into the options for Finger. Every deed that is done in the darkness will come into the light. Day reckoning is coming. Oh yes, sir. There's some people that are in GameStop that say they're GameStop only. They don't like anyone else that's in any other stock. Yeah, I spoke to Zelly about that before, and given a little history of what happened in 2022, and of course, with certain names like Lou and others, like it's like a stock that this guy is pumping, and he's trying to distract everyone from AMC GME. So then they all decide to bash people on GTII, and it was just a battle between whose stock is better, which makes no sense, because at the end of the day, we're all just fighting for the same reasons, as AMC is fighting against the people on the other side. Like, we're all fighting somebody on the other side, allegedly, in my opinion. And that's just how it is. And like, this is all a movement. This is all what retail is doing. And regardless of what stock they're in, and knowing the fact that there's so much potential in these stocks to see that run that everyone's been waiting for. Everyone is gonna get their opportunity, Like Clark says, he wants to see everyone get rich. I want to see everyone get rich. Not rich, but wealthy. Wealthy enough to finally live a decent, extraordinary life. Enjoy their fruits, and not have to work so hard anymore. I mean, of course, you're gonna have to work around that new house and clean the yard and mow the lawn and do all sorts of things. But that's just the way of life. As long as you're good, as long as you're settled, and as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. just don't blow it all away like all these lottery winners, that just end up blowing $4 million in like a year, and then now they have to go bankrupt because that's just not the mentality that people should be having. We're here because we want. Look, Clark. Clark just took the words right out of my mouth. Because thank you, Clark. Literally, because the in my opinion, I feel like if we're coming into this type of money with these plays, and it's a lot, how much like retail has the potential to change the world, to make a difference, to to enhance the quality of life even more, to rid of certain evils, to just overall make a difference. Like, that would be awesome. And that's what life should be about. It should be about making a difference for the good. And yeah, I know, and for a fact that when someone is going to receive this type of wealth, and it's gonna hit you where, damn, like, you never thought that this would happen, and now you see all these zeros in your account, theoretically, and like, you don't know what to do afterwards. Like, you're gonna want to spend it on a lot of things. And I'm not saying to have that same mentality as apes and win Lambo, or win $5 million home, and like, just focusing on the materialistic things. Yeah, it's nice to have that once in a while, but on the long term, that could hurt you. So you have to really think realistically on on what you want to do with that, because it's only one time that you're ever going to see this type of transition and wealth, and whether you decide if you're going to make it last or you're going to make it go to waste. So this is why we all need to act accordingly, do the right thing, play it safe, and make your money, and then make your next move and do what you gotta do. And I hope I can be able to do the same, because that's ultimately my goal. And for everyone else to do the same thing too as well. – 1000%. Big facts. I'm stuck with Gtii 2. There's literally no hope for the stock. Nothing coming in, no volume. Toast. That's the point. Where we reflect upon certain things like this, and we think about other stocks that have done the same thing. And we've gone through this once before. Eventually we're going through it again. But of course, TAC, if theoretically you give up all your unrealized potential gains, you give in to these suckers at the other side. You give them the satisfaction because they had you and they wanted you to do that, and they, you know, they just pretty much like got you where they wanted, you know. So I feel for that. We like I said, we just can't give in to these suckers at all. Like, this is a battle, and this is a psychological battle at its best, because, you know, of course we work so freaking hard for our money, like blood, sweat, tears, like whatever you can think, like, and for them to try to take it away from us, nah. There's a reason for everything. There's a reason for why we are still here, standing, and still fighting, and still holding. Because simply this is something that we can potentially win. This is something that we can make a change. We can just literally, aside from everything, it's like a protest in a way, with us just still in this position and still holding and all of that. Hitting them where it really hurts. Knowing the fact that they can't get us down, they can't bring us down, they can't bring the stock down any lower, because you're not gonna take this away from me. We are all in this for a reason. So we do have to remove all those emotions, like Clark says. We have to set aside your feelings. And, you know, and if you really are at that point, Zach, I feel for you. I appreciate you, Jack. I really do. Good evening to you, Jack. Attack. I'm just letting you know that's your decision. I can't make that decision for you. You know, I could give you a little bit of, you know, I can give you some words, but I really can't tell you what to do with your investment. So if you want to let that go, I mean, that's completely up to you, man. You're your own decision of your own money and your own investments, like I always say. But just know that when you doing that, you're giving in to the devil, and you're giving in to them. You're giving them the satisfaction. And then when you let everything go and you decide to hit that button, and let's say something happened within the next week, then what are you gonna do? You might as well just continue moving on and moving forward. And that's it. That's all you can do. But right now, This movement is still strong. This is still going. People are still not leaving. And retail is going to win. Exactly, Clark. Facts. And what would you only put? You only put what, 1K, 2K in there, maybe 5K. Oh, you're still working. You're still working. You're still making your money. You're still playing other plays, while Gtii is just sitting in the back, chilling in your portfolio, waiting for the moment to come. So why put all that emotion? Why such, why, you display your frustrations and all that stuff for what? When you can just be sitting back, chilling, and just doing what you always do every day until that moment happens. You feel me? There's only one time that you can be stubborn and stuck, but for the right reasons. And that's to win. Exactly. Why hold if you think not going anywhere? Just take your money and that's it. Don't cry, just keep moving. There's so many other plays, bro. Like, for real. Sometimes people I understand people can't wait. We get antsy, we get impatient. Like, we want that quick money, we want that quick fix. But then if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna get shit on. You're gonna get screwed. So that's not the right mentality to have at all. For real. Zali. I'm always taking things out of your mouth, right? Words. I said words, not things. What am I talking about? Words. I'm always taking words out of your mouth. We're intertwined that way. Yo. Oh my god. I gotta give it to you. That's for you, Zali. Someone's gonna get punished tonight. Yeah, we're just great minds think alike, me and Zali. Yeah, we're just that it factor. So oh, she knows. She knows that I like to have my hands tied up. So she can do all the punishing herself. I can look, but I can't touch. Uh-oh. What you really want. What you really want. Oh my god. So there's not much volume in these calls for finger, surprisingly. For February, maybe. We got the $3 ones there. So they're probably betting that finger can hit $3 before February 16, which is 10 days to go. What's August looking like? Oh, interesting. We got some volume. The $5 strike for August. January. Yeah, not much. But look at the spread. What is good with this spread? 25 on the bid, 230 on the ask. TMI, oh my god. I'm playing. That was nah, it was I was just being stupid. Yeah, we're still getting punished though. What is this? Leaps here? Yeah, it's just a lot of people are just. See, the thing is, there's not much attention going on with finger. But I swear, like once finger starts going too, they're gonna be like, "Yo, why is this 20% up in the day today?" So, oh, my back hurts. I don't think I can handle. I don't think I can handle right now. Let's check out other stocks before we cut the stream short. So remember we were talking about GDC. Wait, what is this? No. Fuck. Yeah, I was tied up when I was 4 years old because I was behaving bad. So they tied me up with a belt, and I got spanked, and I started crying. Really, I did. Oh my god. Yo, check this out, guys. Check this out on GDC. GDC is actually making moves. Oh my goodness. The bubbles is in effect. The bubbles is working. Zelly, guys, I don't know whoever is in GDC right now, but GDC is making moves. We just got a good yeah. Oh, that is nice. That is a nice candle. A nice way to finish the daily candle like that. 2 wicks in the end. Wow. So let's see, 1, 2 over here, 3. So now GDC closes at $2.24. It was up 6.67%. So 230 can be next. Then we have 241 here on the 50-day moving average exponential. So you might be looking at that level as the next level of resistance. So 240 to 250. Look at the communication. There hasn't been any news as of yet for GDC. Tell him make some money so he can be a sugar daddy. Yeah, Maddie, I think that's gonna be happening soon. So she has nothing to worry about. Zelly is gonna be well taken care of. Don't worry. Whoa, is this a stock channel? I forgot. Sorry about that. He's talking about me to you. Duh. All right, so that's actually good to see on behalf of GDC. Yeah, nice moves for sure. But yeah, that 225 level is that resistance. Break over and try to get to 240 if it continues going up, and I think it is gonna be that. It's gonna be that that time, because you got the 21-day moving average exponential about to cross over the 50. And wow, GDC must be on fire. 200-day moving average exponential at 245. So yeah, yeah, she can make her own money. But you know, it's like, unfortunately, in some of these short squeeze plays, there will be bag holders because they will believe that yeah, Clark, that is the mentality that we were all like accustomed to, and we were pretty much like, what's that word? We were pretty much conditioned by these specific influencers on YouTube and people on Reddit to be able to, you know, have this mentality that a stock would be capable of making such a amount per share as like 100,000, 500,000. Oh my God, 500,000 is the floor and whatever. I mean, that would literally, like, come on, 100,000. That would literally cause like some type of systemic risk to the markets, because that's a lot of money, and that's like, I mean, would you really want that? But then again, we're still heading in that direction anyway, so either way, in any other way, we're still gonna get that crash. So I'm waiting for it. But yeah, GTC looks good though. So yeah, I'd say the next level, yeah, next stop 225. After that 240, 245. Hopefully by tomorrow, if not Thursday. So yeah, GDC is definitely finding a bottom and climbing back up. So watch out for that. Non-financial advice. What else is there? IMPP got a nice bounce actually, right here in the 4 hour. Real nice. Yeah, that's a nice recovery. $3 was the resistance here. 295 actually hit 295, and then we bounced really hard. Wow. This is not. I'm telling you, this play, this oil stock play, has not failed whatsoever. It's stayed in. It's like, where? Okay, that's the weekly. Like, let me look at. I'm gonna look at the weekly because this is. Let me see. Weekly wise, let me see. Wow. It even came back down and it just bounced off that level. So we need the next week candle would have to be a breakout over 320, 325, and then try to retest 350 again for like a breakout there. That would be awesome though. Where the heck is the three? Yeah, here we go. This is one of the oil stocks that I'm looking out for, and wow, look, even the 9 days trying to curl right back over. Yeah, I'm not providing financial advice. It's just for entertainment and educational purposes only. Anything that's being said in the stream, of course, as I always say, is just strictly my opinion.
And you do what you do with your money and your investment. I can't tell you to do that, shorty.
Yeah. I think I was supposed to show William that this stock, you know, tied to crude oil, that it would actually make some moves, especially with the potential of crude oil going going over. Oh, thanks for the hearts. Whoever's spamming 100 and hearts, love you for that. Thanks for that. Thanks for showing love to the stream, to me, to the channel. The feeling is mutual to everyone here, so thank you for, you know, making these moments special for me. Because I would have never imagined that I would be doing something like this, you know. I just said to myself, heck, why not? Let me just give it a shot and see what I can do with this platform, and you know, provide some type of content, and to be able to get to know people and share their opinions, their knowledge on whatever's going on in the markets, and maybe meet the love of my life in the process. But yeah, this is definitely good times, you know. Get to spend here, you know, a good hour, and you're dedicating your time to, you know, join me here, you know, and that means a lot to me. So thank you for that. So let me see. Pharmaceutical companies. Why is this? Let us know what pharmaceutical stocks would be good to get into. What is that one? Hold on. Was it Endless? I think it was. Somebody kept telling me about NVOS. NVOS. We came down for, yeah, this I'm pretty sure you know about NVOS. Novo Integrated Sciences. Let's see. NVOS. Wait, is that? Yeah, it's a healthcare stock. Yeah, that's part of it. Sharps Technology, DMK Pharmaceuticals. DMK stock moved upwards by 22.84% to 28 cents. The company's market cap stands at 2.8 million. So that's a small market cap. Yeah, that one too. I was just thinking about NWBO as well. So it's between that one, NVOS. NVOS came down a little bit actually. So I mean, that'd be like pretty interesting to see. Oh, tell your wife I said hello, and hopefully she's having a wonderful night with you. And I appreciate her. Well, I appreciate both of you watching the stream, so that means a lot. And you know, we try to see what we can come up with. Maybe we can make some moves in these pharmaceutical companies. Like NVOS is definitely heavily shorted. NWBO has to be within that same category. Zully says hi, Julie. So on behalf of me and Zully, we say hello. On behalf of everyone in the chat, Say hello. Oh gosh, lion. Oh my gosh, lion. Oh my gosh. we said something at the same time, didn't we, Zully? Yeah, as we were actually meant to be. Oh my god. What is this? Goodness. Let's continue down the list here. We got Mira. We got Mira Pharmaceuticals, which rose 11.6% to $1.25. The company's market cap stands at 18.4 million. Vicarious Surgical, RBOT, was up 5.4% to 43 cents. The market cap is at 74.7 million, so that's a little bit big. Here's the NBOS right here. Stock increased by 4.97% to 77 cents. The market cap stands at 13.7 million. And then you got Galecto, which moved to 4.82% at 63 cents, and the market cap stands at 17.0. Zelly Lion owes you some Coke. Coca-Cola? That's her favorite. Even though I'm trying to kind of like cut that down, and because it could be a little addicting. I'm hoping you're talking about that type of Coke. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna check out. I'm actually curious to look into what the NWBO is doing, and I want to see DMK. I'm gonna look at DMK. So first, NVOS. So it's hit at 61 cents as the bottom. It tried going up a little tiny bit. We closed at 73 cents. So we're just trying to keep that. I mean, we can just do this actually. Maybe like this. This is just hypothetical TA here. So I'm just throwing lines here. Maybe you're doing a potential upward channel move here. Seeing this go to 90 cents, or we see this go this way. Which way would you go, NVOS? Which way would you go? With the price level here, this level over here. Show what short hedge funds are in. Do you know? Moistly. Oh damn. What percentage rise would you attribute to the fill up there investment? Fill up there? Fill up there? Fill up there? Which short hedge funds? I think, let me see. I think there's a way to do these. What is the I forgot that. Oh, institutional investors. Okay, so wow. Okay. I hope this is that. Oh shoot! I almost saw that. Yo, Zelly, that comment is like not showing. Can you show that? Thank you, sir. Oh my god, freaking ad blocker. Just once. Just do it. Come on, what are you doing? Alright, so top mutual holders. We got Vanguard index funds for over 400,000 shares. Fidelity Concord Street Trust. Then you got oh my god. It's gonna continue to do this. What's up? What's up with that? Vanguard Extended Market ETF, total stock market. So I think that's VTI. 163,777 shares. Okay, so 1.69% of those Jeez, okay, here we go. 1.69% apparently is insiders, 3% is mutual funds, 1.3% is other institutional investors, and 93.95% is public companies and retail individual investors. So, majority of retail and public, I gotta keep refreshing this, and public companies own the stock. It owned the stock. It has not been ranked here. It's in neutral, so it's between strong buy and strong sell. So its overall consensus is 9 for bullish, 4 for neutral, and 9 for bearish. Okay. Well, I usually take things that's being said in as a grain of salt. Jules Barkwick 266. Mark R in the house. What is up? Peace and happiness, love and wealth. Mark R, what is going on with you today? Mark R, are you here? Say you're. And where are you? Mark, are you? Did you say you were in GDC as well? Just let me know. Well, I'm here dealing with this stupid ad block bull crap here. Financials. Looks like debt to assets, it's been rising every year. Okay. Let's just look at yeah, because this blocking here at work right now. Oh, you're not in GDC. Okay. Did I join the line only transfer? Yeah, but just paying a subscription fee of $10 a month, mostly. You get the goods, you get all the perks, and you will see exclusive content on Line OnlyFans. And that's coming up shortly this summer, in an island near you. Alright, we're gonna go to here and check. We're gonna check the borrow rate for MBOS. Seems like the cost to borrow fee dropped a little bit on GTI from 15 to 13.63%. Let's check NBOS. Hey Maddie, don't say ill because I know for sure that you would actually like it. Alright, the cost to borrow fee also dropped on NBOS. It was at 47% before. They did increase the shares available to borrow from 80,000 to 150,000 at 33.18% cost to borrow. I'll take a used thong in the mall. Well, you gotta make sure that the used thong has some lion fur on it and some prints. And what is the short volume on this? As of today, off exchange reported. Well, total short volume reported was actually at 43.15%. So it was a little higher today than yesterday. Off exchange is 35.54%. And I believe this is, what is this? CHX? CHX. Reported entry. Okay. Okay, what? Okay, NWO, NWBO. Borrow fee. It's been a little steady. It's actually higher now, but damn, that's a lot of shares available to borrow at 12.92%. Okay, hold on. We climb up on here. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see this right now because NVOS could be one of those pop, lock, and drop it type of moves here. I'd say this could definitely be a nice swing trade too as well for a short term. Bearish if this goes back under 60 cents to 50. I'd say we could put this here right now. I want to say it's eventually gonna take a different direction here for NVOS. Maybe we can do a double bottom or maybe a cup and handle. There's so many possibilities of what this can do. If bearish, then we would follow this channel and then try to, follow that trend. But this looks a little bit more stronger to the upside, in my opinion. So, let's see. Zelly, quick, grab that order. Damn. Outstanding credit card balances hit a record high, $1.13 trillion in the fourth quarter of 2023, according to new data released today. That is, Mark, that is disgusting. That is a record. That is how bad it is, and that people are still dealing with credit card debt. Can't seem to pay it off in time. They're struggling out there. Well, and now credit card companies are dealing with the consequences. What is the economy gonna do now? Oh my god. Mark, that's just my balances. Millennials in their 30s sank deeper into credit card debt towards year end. They knew, yeah, I'm one of them. I'm one of them millennials. No wait, I'm not a millennial. I'm Gen X. No wait, what am I? I forgot. Oh, I'm Generation Y. No. I'm Gen Z? I think I'm Gen Z. I'm the last in the alphabet. After that is a shit show. U.S. credit card debt continues to climb to new heights. Yep. These suckers want to raise the interest rates and charge a arm and a leg for interest charges and cash advances and other fees for credit cards. Like they're literally trying to empty our pockets. Like I'm just like, what the hell. But anyways, let me not get sidetracked here, because I know somebody who is also an NVOS. There's a lot of talk about it. If let's say theoretically there's anything that happens within my investments and I make a good chunk, not financial advice, but I would also throw some into NVOS. My personal opinion, that's what I would do. So that, and let me see, NWBO. And I actually did. I did put some levels here on NWBO. I think that was yesterday. Unless it was you, Clark, that mentioned NWBO yesterday. I can't remember, but man, look at the trend. Wow, we're getting a good bounce. Okay. All right. I mean, my bubbles wasn't really exactly in the same spot, but I mean, it kind of imitated the same trends. So my bubbles were thinking in the past, like my bubbles predicted the move, but it's like, wow, like what? Do I really have a crystal ball? Wait, hold on. I see in the foreseeable future NWO hitting 70 cents by tomorrow, and then for the squeeze into Friday. While delinquencies have been climbing across age groups, the flow into serious delinquency was particularly acute among younger millennials between the ages of 30 and 39 and lower income households, which is a fact. It is indeed, in fact, the truth. 1,000%. Well, I mean, if Moisley is willing to pay $10,000 worth of GTII, wait, no, was it 10,000 shares of G? Okay, yeah, he's willing to pay up to 10,000 shares of GTII. So, yeah, I mean, it's still considered a stock channel. It's providing a service. So, yeah, I think you should grab that order, Zelly. I watched a video by Alpha Status a couple of days ago about NWBO. It looks very promising. Well, I mean, definitely this move looks extremely promising because of the way the lines are actually moving. The 9-day moving average exponential, the 21-day, it's like slowly moving into that nice trend to the upside. So I feel like it's gonna have a nice climb, and that's actually pretty good to see, because now you have the next level at 65 cents, and then you have 68 to like 70 cents around there in that range, which would be like a good swing. It'll be a good swing if you're just doing a quick scalp, but if you're holding it for the long term, then that definitely is a promising thing to look into, like to look forward to. And plus, like, it's, if you think about it, this looks like a long pennant, and we're just like about to like break out of the pennant, and then you have all these levels here, like 82 to 85 cents. 90 cents. This thing hit $1.09 on September 25th of last year. So yeah, I mean, if this is what it's looking like to be, then I think this would be good for a nice swing or a nice long-term ride
To the upside, wherever you feel like, you know, you're satisfied with. Non-financial advice. And plus, NWBO has earnings at the end of the month on the 28th. So, looking forward to that, if I may say.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Which one's the other? Oh, DMK. What is DMK looking like? Wow, that's DMK. Oh, but then they had a 1 for 70 split. Okay, damn, 80. So it had a reverse split. Is that what that is? But then it's back to 17 cents. Is that right? Wow. Jeez, look, even the RSI is like, yeah, this thing literally dropped. Look at that. Look at that sharp downturn on the RSI. Let me zoom in and see what the hell happened. Wow. Oh my god. This thing just literally went through like a capitulation here. Oh god. What happened here? This thing went from like, this went up from like 49 cents, and then it dropped down to 17 cents, and it closed at 23 cents. This is DMK. Oh, it did? No way, snap. Are you serious? Hold on, let me see this. Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh, I was thinking, oh, that is nasty. Yo. Snap is dead. Snapchat is freaking dead. Yo, what the? I'm sorry. I'm just like literally, I don't know why, because I was like talking on the Discord where I'm in. And I was like, yeah, you know, Snap, you know, since it's part of Meta, you know, it's probably gonna follow Meta earnings, you know, when Meta went wild going to the upside. This is completely different. And I mean, Snap is not really like a company per se, like that's you know, like, is it fundamentally like a good stock to involve yourself in? And gosh, damn, Zelly, why didn't we see this coming? Goodness gracious, like this is like beyond, like, wow. Damn, Mark, thank you for reminding me of this, because I was looking at Snap before yesterday. I think J Pong, or I forgot who it was. He mentioned Snap, and then earnings was today. Damn. That is one heck of a drop. Let me check. Let me see Meta. What did Meta do? What did Meta do? What did Meta do? I gotta see Meta on the 4 hour. Meta on the 4 hour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, did it? Hold on. Okay, this was the earnings right here. This big ass candle. And then from there, just it's Meta is actually starting to sell off. Look at that. Unless this is no, hold on. Cause this happened at 4 o'clock in the. Wait, 1? Wait, 1 o'clock? No. Let me look at the hourly. Thank you, Mark. I appreciate you, man, for real. Maddie, thank you for always entertaining us with your dirty humor. I love you, Matt. You take care. You sleep good. You have a great night. Just trying to see here in the hourly chart. Because I mean they are the same. I mean, they are Meta, so I feel like yeah, it did. Right here. In the hourly, the Meta experienced a big drop to the downside, and this must have been in sympathy to what happened to Snap, because this is a big drop. Look, $18.90 all the way down to 11.66 now. Wow. And if it keeps continuing to drop too, I mean, these are all the signs right here, pretty much. And just thinking about the signs of Meta, you know, after those earnings and reaching the peak here, the all-time high, and now just dropping. And of course, you know, the fact that, you know, they are now issuing dividends. I think this is gonna be a down stair motion, like just continuing to drop down and down and down. You know, probably seeing Meta in the future come back down to these levels again at 400 and below. Not anytime soon, but maybe, who knows, maybe this could go back down during the summer, or maybe when the stock market decides to crash, who knows. Oh wow. And also Night Maddie. And also oh damn, an hour 38 minutes. I do have to cut this stream short, jeez. It's gonna be 11 o'clock here. Not only Snap, but I was looking at Uber, and their earnings are in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So my guess is that Uber tanks hard as well, like literally, like hard, like 68 hard, 76, I mean 66, 68. Because oh my god, Uber has been doing some shitty shit, man. They even changed like their policies and everything, because you know I do Uber Eats, and I really like messed up with the flow and like the way I was making money and things like that. So yeah, I mean, this on the hourly too, it's overbought. MACD looks like it wants to take a turn to the downside too. If this all plays out, I mean, eventually they'll probably show earnings that it was a miss, and then Uber falls back to the 60s or mid 60s. But like, if you see the history of Uber and how this traded in the past, man, this is one heck of a move. Like, this was at $20 at one point. back in June of 2022. So if you got in at that point and wrote this all the way up, man, you'll be banking right now. I would be like, yeah, this is my exit right here. I'm good. I had a nice golden cross here in the past too. I had a nice trend bullish to the upside. I don't know what to expect, but I do want Uber to drop. For real, they deserve it. Sorry, Uber. I just had to say it. AMC. Let's go over AMC before and GME before we leave the stream here. Thank you, Zelly, for posting the link to my music page too as well. You see it on the chat. Click that link if you like some. If you like any of these tracks, of course. So just let me know. Feel free to check it out. So I heard there's about 5,000 ticker symbols the short hedge funds are shorting. Does that sound about right? Yeah, I'm sure that sounds definitely right. And oh, it's just a basket amount of those of those stocks. And it's mind-boggling, like how many of these stocks have been victimized, abused, and manipulated by the same people. So I am not surprised whatsoever, but I know that time will tell and time will come where, excuse my language, shit will hit the fan. They're gonna have to pay back. They're gonna have to face those margin calls. I'm telling you, for real. So, yeah, let's check here. I need to see this real quick before I end the stream because it's getting a little late. Just a heads up, guys. So, I'm just gonna view this here. AMC 359 was the low, and we had a big green candle here. We've moved up to like maybe, what was this? This is a 57-cent move here on the 4-hour candle, and look at this. This is actually falling right into the zone here, and it literally retested the range here at $4, which was supposed to be the main support level, where we would see this all start to turn back around and start to bounce. So this is good. I like this. Usually this kind of resembles a bull flag in a way, and that we could actually see more upside for AMC for sure. I am looking forward to this move. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have been looking forward to this move for a long time. So here is, this is gonna be my setup right there. And let's see what happens, huh? Okay. And then, last but not least, I'll just look at GME. GME is actually following the same algorithm as AMC. Wow, look at that. Let's go side to side here. Hold on. I need to do something real quick. Appearances. Show. Hold on. Where is it? Where is that? Where is that? Oh, this is not it. Here? No, I forgot what it was. That's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna actually um just show you this real quick. Show you this real quick. AMC. Uh, chart 4 hour here. This is in some way, shape, or form the same exact algorithm that they're doing right now. So this is, yeah, look at that. Could this be a precursor, the sign of great things to happen? I think that this is definitely gonna be something wild. Ooh, we got a nice bounce off here at the MACD. Oof. Oh, I can't wait. That's awesome. Good to see that. Good to see, this type of move, because especially when you see these candles, this is on the 4 hour chart. Like, this is someone going in heavy for sure. Got 13,662,790 shares traded on that 4 hour candle. You got 1,710,963 in that candle. Oh, I can't wait anymore. Alright. Nice. I think that's the end of the stream. Also, I need to use the bathroom. And it's about to be 11 o'clock. So, with that being said, thanks everyone for hanging out with me again. As always, I appreciate the love. I appreciate, you giving some time, out of your day or out of your night to join me and just, just chill, have fun, talk some things, share some information, look at stocks, see what we can come up with, the usual. So yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you all. And we'll see what happens tomorrow, because things are really getting spicy. I'm telling you, February is going to be a wild month. A wild month indeed. And then soon we're going to be able to spring forward into March. So anyways, peace, happiness, love to all, and wealth soon. Wealth is on the way soon. So but by all means, let's just continue to do what we do. Everyone, thank you again for your time, your support, your love, and for making this possible and hanging out with me with another night, another stream. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see what happens, depending on what happens. And yeah, we're gonna call this end of the stream. So Clark, thank you. Mark, well, Clark and Julie, thank you for spending time. Mark, Maddie, Rob the Pilot, Moisley. You got Jack Hamilton, who just stopped by for a second. Thank you, Jack. Tax 77, unfortunate, that you had to experience that, but I have high hopes for you, and hopefully you come in with a better vibe, positive vibe, and just hang in there, buddy. Mad Gun, thank you.
What else we got? Matt K, who stopped by for a little bit. And most definitely, most importantly, especially, Zully. Zully-san. Zully B.
Alright, y'all. Spam that heart button. Spam that heart button. Show some love. Big hearts to everyone. Thank you again for making this happen. And we'll see you in the next stream. Zali, big hearts to you. With love. Y'all take care. Have a good night. Have a good morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Peace out.